Hey everybody, I would like to do a vocal review of the Bellagio water fountain show. It's not on yet, but it will be shortly. But you can see how beautiful this scenery is, this view right here with the Paris casino across the street. And Caesar's Palace right there. Alright, should be coming on pretty soon here. Alright guys, the water show just starting right now. Wow, look at that. Got the music synchronized to the waterfall, to the water fountain show as well. Wow. Look at that. Boy, oh boy. Oh la la. Very spectacular. Yeah, it requires a lot of electricity, a lot of power to push all that water up. Ooh la la, look how high that is. Wow, ooh la la. It was spectacular. It was kind of short. I thought it should have been longer than that. I remember in the past, I think it was longer than that. I think that may have lasted just 3 minutes or so. It was longer, I'm pretty sure it was longer in the past. But anyways, it was still pretty good. Alright, that's the Bellagio water fountain show. Come and check it out.